Dairy factories are expected to optimize production of butter during this long rain season to alleviate the current shortage. Livestock Principal Secretary Harry Kimtai says the new KCC is seeking funds from the National Treasury for mopping up excess milk from farmers during the current long rain season and purchase coolers.
What I've just said is because we have been in a very prolonged drought, and we must have enough milk to produce other different products of milk, butter being one of them. So I think the process gave preference to supply of milk to the customers. Butter, of course, we'll have to spend more. We'll have to take more milk to produce butter. So we have kind of made sure that we have enough supply of milk first, so that the other products definitely, with so much of this rain that we are now having, the butter supply will definitely resume because there will be more milk to process butter as well. So we expect the supply of milk to increase in the near future because of the good rains, and with the good supply of milk, then the consumers are going to have better prices because there will be a plenty and availability of milk in the shelves.